Hi guys, my name is Steph. I am the founder of Anyday, and today I'm gonna show you what I think is maybe the first thing that I think you should make in the Anyday. If you were to make steamed corn traditionally, it's a little bit of a hassle. Normally, when you steam something, what are you doing? You're using your stove, you're getting your kitchen hot in the height of summer, you're whipping out a pan, you're putting water in it, you're busting out a steamer basket. It's just a lot of work for something that seems like it should be so simple. I'm gonna show you a way to make steamed corn that is incredibly simple, so fast, in just 3 minutes, and requires one pot only. Let's get into it. I've got corn that I've already husked, broken them in half, and I'm gonna do 3 halves today and put them straight into my Anyday dish. This is made out of glass, and all I do, put the corn in and put the lid on. It seals really nice and tight. This is a glass lid. This is the key to microwave cooking. Make sure that you're cooking in something that has a really tight fitting lid, and that will essentially allow all the steam to be trapped inside the dish while you're cooking and turn your microwave into a super powered steamer. And then I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. And that's it. I could walk away from the kitchen right now. I could finish prepping whatever else I want to make for this meal. I could wash dishes. I could play with my kid. That's the beauty of cooking in the microwave. This is magic. Steamed corn that was done in 3 minutes flat, no water boiling, and it's perfect. I can just tell right now. It's tender, it's really nice and really, really bright, very, very hot. So make sure you guys are using oven mitts and tongs. You can do so much with plain steamed corn. I actually probably prefer eating it just straight up, just like this, especially when the corn is so sweet in the middle of the summer. But you could also have it with butter. That's probably what I'll do today. All right, so I'm gonna grab some butter here. This is unbeatable. Perfectly steamed buttered corn. Let's try. That's so good. It's so sweet right now, just plain steamed, just like this. This is like the perfect summer side dish. I can imagine making this in 3 minutes in the microwave at a barbecue, throw it on the side, bring it to a potluck. It's perfect. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit like and subscribe if this video was helpful to you. And there are tons more microwave recipes on cookanyday.com that you guys should check out.